Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create this 3D cartoon character using Blender 2.8. Let's start by moving to edit mode. Let's select the top vertices and grab them in the Z-axis. Make the basic shape of our character. Now, add horizontal cut loops by clicking Ctrl+R. Then, move them to the top. Now, add 2 more vertical cut loops. Then, move them to the left and right. Select the face where we will make our screen. Extrude it. Insert a face, then extrude it once again. Make horizontal cut loops. Now vertical cut loops. Switch to face select mode, then, select the faces of our first button. Extrude, insert faces, then extrude again. Add more geometry by adding new cut loop. Select the edge, then use bevel tools to add a bevel. You can also use Ctrl+B. Switch to face select mode. Then, select the faces of our new 2 buttons. Extrude, insert face, then extrude again. Now, we will add our circular button. Select 4 faces, right-click, and go to Loop Tools, select Circle. Insert a circle, extrude it, inset, then extrude again. Now, repeat the same steps for the second circular button. You can make it smaller or larger. We finished the buttons. Go to the side, and add more geometry. Toggle to X-ray mode. Select 4 faces, then make a circle using Loop Tools. Select Alt-E, then choose Extrude Faces along normals. We extruded both left and right sides. Now, add more 2 circles at the bottom. This is all for the main body. Let's add the hands. On the Object mode, select Add New, select Rounded Cube. Choose Quad Sphere if it's not the default. Now, scale it, until it meets your needs. Then, move it to the left or right side. Select the faces, then, extrude them. Add more cut loops. Use the mirror modifier to duplicate our object. And use the main body as a mirror. Do it again. Choose a rounded cube, scale it, move it, then extrude it. Add the mirror modifier again, and use the main body as a mirror. With that, our character modeling is finished. We can now move to the next step and make things more interesting. Let's start adding look and feel by adding materials. Let's add new material, rename it to base material and choose the color you want. Switch metallic to 1. Now, switch to edit mode. Use face select mode. Then, select the faces of the first button. Add new material, and choose a base color for your button. Don't forget to assign the material to the selected button by pressing Assign. Repeat the same steps for the other buttons. Now select the faces of the screen. Make new material. Rename it Screen. Assign it. Switch to Object Mode, then from the menu choose Append. Select the material file. Use the new matrix material as screen material. Split the screen, and open the shader editor. Locate the texture node. Replace the default texture by a new texture of your choice. In our case, we will use the smile image texture. nothing happened. Because we didn't unwrap the screen yet. So, split the screen again, and open the UV editor. Select the screen, press U then unwrap. Now from the UV editor, try to move or scale the faces until it meet your needs. It's done. Now, apply the base material for both foot and hand. This is it. Our character is ready for animation. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Get the next videos.